Hello guys, welcome to an exciting tutorial, and today we are going to be doing some explosions. And to begin with, today we are going to do a simple explosion, exploding a box. So we'll open up the Cinema 4D, and you can see I have an empty scene. Now before doing any explosion, first you need a platform for your explosion to be laid on. So I'll add a floor object, and you can see there's my floor, and then I'll add an object which I need to explode. For instance, I've added a cube. Let me move this cube to some distance. I'll put it 101 centimeters, and if I press enter, you can see, yeah, there. Now editing this cube, I'll add 25 segments on each side. 25, 25, 25, yeah, like that. And then after doing that, this cube is composed of many segments. Now I need each segment to be independent from each other, so I'll add a fracture object. So I'll go to MoGraph, and then I'll go to fracture, and then I'll take this cube and make it as a child of the fracture. See? And then I'll click on the fracture, and in fracture mode I'll set it to explode segments. Okay? Now each segment can be exploded independently. Now after that, I'm going at this tab, and then I'll click explosion effects. Maybe let me put it a bit to the center. Yes. And then I'll take this explosion fix and put it as a child of the cube. Whoa. My cube has already exploded, but that's not what I need. So clicking the explosion effects, and then go to explosion and strength, set it to 0.001. Yeah, you see it's regaining its shape, but you can see it is attracted downward, so it means the gravity is pulling it. So I'll go to gravity and set it to 0. I need no gravity on this one, and when I set the gravity to 0, you can see my box has came like it was before. So, and then we go to cluster. I need 5 centimeter thickness, so I click on 5, and then we enter. Yeah, like that. So, and then now after attaining that, maybe let me no, first I need to assign some tags on my cube, on my object. So the flow and the cube, I'll both place a simulation tag and say this, both of them are rigid bodies. And then on the dynamics tab, no problem, when inherit tag, I'll say I need nope, maybe let me play first and see what happens. Whoa, now it's not exploding, it's just disintegrating. So you can see as I play it, it's like that. It's just, it collapses. You see, it collapses and falls. Now I need it to explode. So as to make it explode, let me minimize this, and then I'll do one thing. I'll add an attractor. So I go to simulate particles attractor. You see, this is a particle attractor. I'll put it at the center of my box, like this, at the center. Yes, roughly, not exactly the center. So after placing it there, and then I'll set its strength to negative 100, let's say. When I play it, you can see that no, still nothing happened. Play it again. Still it's collapsed. I need it to explode. Okay, I'm increasing the strength. You see? Now let me lower the explosion, and when I play it you can see that, whoa, still. Let me add it to 10,000, and when I play it you can, oh, whoa, that's too much. You can see how it explodes. No, that's too much. Maybe let's put it 100 and play with the explosion position. Okay, maybe let's raise it a bit. When I play it, let us increase it to 1000. Yeah, like that. You can see that's our box, and when we play it you can see it explodes. Let me put it below. You can try many positions and see what happens. See? Now, as you can see, the box particles explode, and it's like they are sliding on this surface. You see, they are just sliding as if they are on top of some sort of layer or fluid. Now, to get rid of that, we need to go to the tags, these two tags, and then let's reduce the bounce to 25. Let's increase the friction to 100 and leave the collision noise, and let's play. You see? Oh, that's more like it. As you can see, it at least explodes realistically. Still, there's something about this explosion. Maybe let me go to attract and increase the force. But oh shit, too much. Okay, let me add it 500. Too slow. 5,000. Maybe let me add half of this. Maybe let's say like that. Let's play. Yeah, maybe that will do. Maybe this will do. So let this be the end of part 1, and in part 2 we are going to see how to place fire and smoke to our elements so as to have a realistic explosion. See you guys in the next tutorial.